Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make luxury face milk. But before that, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. In making this luxury face milk, you need Gluta Magic Serum, which lightens and unifies the skin, reduces red spots, black spots, and glows the skin. You need Feah Serum, which lightens the skin, it unifies and glows the skin. You need 42 hours oil, which is good for the face, hands, and feet. It lightens and unifies the skin tone, it fades dark spots, skin blemishes, and it glows the skin. You need preservatives to help preserve and make this luxury milk last longer. You need Rosehip Essential Oil, which moisturizes the skin, it unifies the skin tone, treats wrinkles, increases skin elasticity, and protects the skin from sunburn. You need Propylene Glycol to help the whitening actives penetrate the skin. You need Carovate face cream, which contains carrot extract. It helps in getting rid of pimples, sunburns, stretch marks, black spots, eczema, and it lightens the skin. You need Sunblock Plus face cream, which also contains carrot extract. It prevents and fades pimples, sunburn, stretch marks, black spots, eczema, and it lightens the skin. Lastly, you need Abonne Snail to serve as the base, but you can choose to use any other cream or lotion as the base. Just use what works well for your skin. So guys, the full measurements will be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out when making yours. So after putting all the ingredients, I'm just mixing it properly. This is a very small quantity, that's why I'm mixing with a spatula. If you're making more than this, you would want to mix with your hand mixer to be sure it is smooth. Guys, this luxury face milk is super effective in skin whitening. It fades dark spots, sunburn, it glows the skin, it gets rid of eczema, wrinkles, it smoothens the skin, fades hyperpigmentation and dark areas. With this face milk, you don't need to worry about sun damage and all the rest. Your face will just be as sleek as milk. You can try out this recipe and drop comments on how best it worked for you. This luxury face milk is good for all skin type except oily skin and all skin tone except dark skin. Unless you want to lighten up, you can use it on the dark skin. It is perfect to be used as a day and night cream. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do this, remember to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.